When we're adding fractions with like denominators, such as in 3/8 plus 4/8, where the denominators are the same, all we do is repeat the denominator, put the denominator down, add our numerators for a final answer of 7/8. When we're adding two fractions with unlike denominators, such as 2/3 and 4/7, we need to find a least common denominator, and we could usually do that by multiplying both denominators together. So in this case, we multiply 3 by 7 to give us 21, and this becomes the new denominator. Now we rewrite the problem with our new denominator, 21. We take 21, divide it by 3 to get 7, multiply 7 by 2 to get 14. We take 21, divide it by 7 to get 3, multiply it by 4 to get 12. Now we add 14 and 12 together. That gives us 26 over 21. This is an improper fraction since 26, the numerator, is greater than 21, the denominator. Usually you're asked to change it back into a mixed number. You ask yourself, how many times does 21 go into 26 without going over? It goes over once, with 5 left over, for a final answer of 1 over 5 over 21. When we multiply fractions, we multiply across, first the numerators, then the denominators. So with 4/5 times 3/8, we take 4, multiply it by 3 to get 12. Take 5, multiply it by 8 to get 40. For a preliminary answer of 12/40. But since there are factors that go into both 12 and 40, then we can simplify or reduce this problem. The easiest thing to do here, since both numbers are even, 12 is even, 40 is even, all we have to do is chop them in half until we can't go any further, or until there are no factors that go into both. So half of 12 would be 6, half of 40 would be 20, half of 6 is 3, half of 20 is 10, so our final answer would be 3/10. When we divide fractions such as 4/5 divided by 1/3, we reverse the operation and multiply. We also flip the second fraction. So we rewrite the problem, 4/5 multiplied by 3 over 1. 4 times 3 gives us 12. 5 times 1 gives us 5. So we get 12/5, which is an improper fraction since 12, the numerator, is greater than 5, the denominator. We want to change it into a mixed number. 5 goes into 12 twice, since 5 times 2 is 10. There's 2 left over, so our final answer becomes 2 2/5.